a freaking fool. I don't know. I do crazy things. I'm a side part girl. This is what she looking like. We might make baby number 2 with this wig on. Just come on. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey. I know y'all probably like, what the fuck is she doing? I'm about to install a wig. I had no plans on filming this today, but then I was just like, why don't you film this? Because you always talking about you want to, you know, have more content, you know, you want to be this content creator, all of that. Why not go ahead and film this? In the middle of looking like a freaking fool, I decided I was going to pick up my camera and film. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to install this wig from Amazon. It's an $80 wig. It's red. I absolutely love it. Everybody that sees me loves it. My husband loves it. I'm about to install this wig. I don't know what we're going to call this video. I don't know if it's just going to be a wig install video or if it's going to be like another get my life together, because I'm always trying to get my life together. We're about to do the ball cap method and I'll be right back. So basically I just went ahead and put the glue on. I'm gonna let it dry down. While it's drying down, I'm gonna continue to look like a fool. I just shampooed my wig and I'm gonna go outside and get it. Yes, I took my wig and I put it outside to dry. It's about maybe 60 degrees today, so I figured it could dry outside. Just come on. So like I said, I got my wig outside drying right now. It is about 60 degrees, so I'm hoping that it's like partially dry. If not, then I don't know. Y'all, don't look at my balcony. It is a mess. We're not even gonna talk about that. And this is the wig. Ooh, she looks so good. She's still wet though. It's still wet. I'm actually gonna install her while she's wet because that's just what I do. I do crazy things. So I'm gonna put this towel around me. I don't know if I showed y'all what she looks like, but this is what she's looking like. I'm putting her on while she's wet because I'm lazy and I don't feel like drying her and I don't feel like waiting. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just comb the hairline back just like this. I'm gonna clip it back so that I can see where to put, you know, the lace at, the glue, all of that. You got the swag, so she drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, I'm tired of looking like a fool, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off real quick. The swag, so she drip the swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too. Oh. Now that I got the lace off and I'm no longer looking crazy, I'm gonna take this lace tint. Tyche, T-Y-C-H-E is the brand. I just picked this up from my local beauty supply store and it's in the shade golden. So I'm just gonna take it and put it across the hairline of the wig. Don't even know how the shade looks. Oh well, live on the edge a little bit. So I'm gonna just hold it up like this and I'm gonna take it and just spray it. Now that I got the lace tinted, I'm going to actually go ahead and get ready to install it. Yes, it is still wet, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and use the lace glue. Same glue that I showed you earlier. It is by Salon Pro, 30 seconds. And I'm just going to apply that across my hairline. I'm going to do about 2 coats of it and then I'm going to apply the wig. The glue is pretty much tacky. Like, it'll stick to it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Now that I got the wig on, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs, get ready to mold them, and then I'm going to take a wig grip and put it on. Now I pretty much got my baby hairs done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of foaming lotion. This is Nairobi. Absolutely love this. I'm just going to place it here so I can set my hair in. Now I'm about to put a little bit of eyeshadow in the part to make it pop a little bit. And this is actually my palette, my brand. And I'm going to be using this shade here. And what I'm going to do is just basically widen my part a little bit with it. Just to make it a little bit more defined. Now that I got that done, I'm going to take the melt band, place it upon my edges so that it can, you know, do what it do, melt that lace. I'm going to stop being lazy and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair.
You got the swag, saucy drip the swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag do. Oh.
So I pretty much got the hair blow dried. I don't know if I'm going to keep it straight or curled. Probably curled because I'm a side part girl who likes curls, you know. She's looking good. I believe she is 18 inches. I'll have her link down below in the description box. Like I said, I got her from Amazon and I want to say she was only $80 when I purchased her. Definitely go to Amazon and get you a wig because, baby, she looks so good. What I'm going to do now is just take off my wig grip. Look at that melt, you guys. Ooh, she looks good. I've wore her a couple times. I probably wore her about 3 times now. Typically, I would do a lot of curls because, I don't know, she just makes me look grown and sexy. This right here is perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for a Valentine's Day wig or whatever, this is perfect for Valentine's Day. Only thing I'm going to do now is I want to trim my ends because, like I said, I wore this a couple times and the ends are looking, yeah, they're looking a little bit raggedy. So I am just going to trim it. Not even a lot, just a little bit. Probably like that much. Literally. That's all I took off. I don't know, I might take a little bit more than that. So I took off a little bit more. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And I don't know if I'm going to curl her or what, but I'm going to come back after I style her. Be back, you guys. So I actually decided to curl her. She's looking a little bit crazy, but we're going to get her all the way together real quick. I'm just going to take my fingers and make them loose. And baby, this hair is amazing. You won't be able to tell me nothing when I do my makeup. Like, nothing. Look at this. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. I just took a little wax stick and hot combed the top of it. I'm gonna come back when I got my makeup on because she's gonna be a whole vibe. Like, we might make baby number 2 with this wig on.
I've been
bet you feel like shit for that. Tried to expose me, showed your ass. That type shit ain't no coming back. So keep your whole ass where you at.